Tribit XSound Mega Portable Bluetooth Speaker. So this is a loud and deep bass speaker. It's got titanium drivers to give you crystal clear sound, IPX7 waterproofing, and has LED lights to make it extra fun. Playtime of it is 20 hours and also has a built-in power bank to charge your devices. I also love that you can see here, it's got a handle or strap that you can attach onto it for ease of portability. Really great if you're bringing it outside on an adventure or camping, or really just bringing it on the go with you. So as far as sound goes, it's crystal clear. It's got 30 watts titanium drivers. The bass itself, you can customize. The LED lights too, you can actually sync up with the music, so it'll be moving with it. It'll be kind of an auditory and visual experience. 3 different light effects you can choose from. 3 EQ options. So there's the equalizer modes, which will provide you with a very balanced sound. There is a X bass mode to enhance the bass of heavy songs at low frequencies, and a music mode for immersive sound for everyday listening. Additionally, you can use the audiobook to increase the clarity of podcasts or just any kind of audiobooks that you're listening to. Great battery life on it, and portability is great. Definitely check it out.